Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Explorer. Starting right away up front, you do have front parking sensors. Those are going to keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. A look down the passenger side. You do have 20-inch chrome wheels, and those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. Up top you do have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of a button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ford on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.